How to assemble a Ryobi string trimmer. So as you can see here, I bought my lawnmower and it come with the string trimmer. However, if you've just bought the string trimmer, it'll come in its own separate box. Let me quickly take it out of the box. As you can see, there's not a lot to it, but there's a little tip that I can give you in the video. As you can see, all we're going to need is a pair of scissors and a screwdriver. First, you'll see it packaged up like this to keep it into place. What you need to be careful of when you cut this plastic off is not to cut the wire, as you can see here. So, carefully and slowly cut this plastic. Then you should be able to just pull that piece of cardboard off. Got that extra little piece of plastic off there. So I was being careful not to cut the wire. Then all we need to do is slot these two pieces of pole together. You can see the shape. You need to line it up like a jigsaw and slot them both together. And what you want to do is that little pin to come through the hole this side. Now I found that it doesn't actually fully pop out. However, once you get it to that length, it's nice and secure, and I've had no problems of it coming loose. Now, you need to get this little package here, what comes with your lawnmower. This is the guard. So let's open it up. Here's the instructions and everything. And you can see on here, there is some screws attached. So make sure you take them off. You need to cut them off because they're sellotaped on. Then we need to attach the guard to these holes here. Two single holes. So put the guard on like that. As you can see, the guard needs to go over the top like that. And then we can screw in the screws. I'll speed this process up. You don't need to see me actually screwing two screws in. And that's it. You've pretty much set up your Ryobi string trimmer. Don't forget to take off that label. Insert your battery and you're ready to go. So hopefully this helps you how to assemble the Ryobi string trimmer. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.